Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 120 daily used English sentences. So, let's start the video. Don't abandon your parents. Don't abandon your parents. Let's have some coffee. Let's have some coffee. Look around the house once. Look around the house once. Mention your mobile number. Mention your mobile number. Am I pronouncing it correctly? Am I pronouncing it correctly? Being a teacher is not that easy. Being a teacher is not that easy. Please add my name to the list. Please add my name to the list. Are you ready to take the test? Are you ready to take the test? Can I get you something to eat? Can I get you something to eat? Don't be afraid to see a doctor. Don't be afraid to see a doctor. Are you fond of reading novels? Are you fond of reading novels? Be careful, the cup is very hot. Be careful, the cup is very hot. Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? Note down my new number. Note down my new number. Mom, don't scold me in public. Mom, don't scold me in public. Are you in a good mood today? Are you in a good mood today? Never mind, it is not important. Never mind, it is not important. Let's get something to eat. Let's get something to eat. Never give up learning English. Never give up learning English. Can I try this shirt on, please? Can I try this shirt on, please? Get ready for the party. Get ready for the party. Observe the picture carefully. Observe the picture carefully. Can you turn the light off, please? Can you turn the light off, please? Did he ask anything about me? Did he ask anything about me? Peter, go to sleep now. Peter, go to sleep now. Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Are you going to tell her? Are you going to tell her? Can you guess my real age? Can you guess my real age? Did I say something wrong? Did I say something wrong? Make new friends in college. Make new friends in college. Are you still sad about that? Are you still sad about that? Didn't you hear what I said? Didn't you hear what I said? Please attend the meeting. Please attend the meeting. Are you serious about that? Are you serious about that? Be satisfied with what you have. Be satisfied with what you have. Open your book to page 40. Open your book to page 40. Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? Move out of the room, please. Move out of the room, please. Please ask him what he wants. Please ask him what he wants. Can you help me to learn English? Can you help me to learn English? Pass me the salt, please. Pass me the salt, please. No problem, bring it tomorrow. No problem, bring it tomorrow. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Please don't break my trust. Please don't break my trust. Don't be silly, be sensible. Don't be silly, be sensible. Do I look short or tall in this dress? Do I look short or tall in this dress? Please don't discourage him. Please don't discourage him. Let him tell what happened. Let him tell what happened. A friend of mine is coming to see me. A friend of mine is coming to see me. Don't be afraid of hard work. Don't be afraid of hard work. Although she is rich, she works hard. Although she is rich, she works hard. Could you spell your last name, please? Could you spell your last name, please? Can I ask you something personal? Can I ask you something personal? Did you look at yourself in the mirror? Did you look at yourself in the mirror? Give him another chance. Give him another chance. Can I borrow some money from you? Can I borrow some money from you? Are you afraid to speak in English? Are you afraid to speak in English? By the way, I am not going to the party. By the way, I am not going to the party. Can he stay with us for a few days? Can he stay with us for a few days? Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework? Did you tell him to call the manager? Did you tell him to call the manager? Do you have any hobbies and interests? Do you have any hobbies and interests? I can hardly believe it. I can hardly believe it. Which university do you go to? Which university do you go to? Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? Is there anyone who can help me? Is there anyone who can help me? Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? You have not changed at all. You have not changed at all. Please contact me anytime. Please contact me anytime. Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? What would you like for dessert? What would you like for dessert? I will not permit it. I will not permit it. He tiptoed into the room. He tiptoed into the room. The news made him very happy. The news made him very happy. She made her objections clear. She made her objections clear. They made me repeat the whole story. They made me repeat the whole story. She climbed over the wall. She climbed over the wall. She has not changed much over the years. She has not changed much over the years. He made it absolutely clear. He made it absolutely clear. The place was absolutely packed. The place was absolutely packed. How about going for a walk? How about going for a walk? She worked abroad for a year. She worked abroad for a year. He accepted all the changes we proposed. He accepted all the changes we proposed. Journalists were denied access to the president. Journalists were denied access to the president. The accident happened at 3 p.m. The accident happened at 3 p.m. We met by accident at the airport. We met by accident at the airport. I don't have a bank account. I don't have a bank account. My watch is not very accurate. My watch is not very accurate. The government was accused of incompetence. The government was accused of incompetence. He said that he was very busy then. He said that he was very busy then. Do you have any experience as a server? Do you have any experience as a server? Failure is a stepping stone to success. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Have you been here for a long time? Have you been here for a long time? Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Good luck for your exam tomorrow. Good luck for your exam tomorrow. How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you talk to me like that? Do you want an apple or a banana? Do you want an apple or a banana? Be grateful to those who helped you. Be grateful to those who helped you. Could you send me an application form? Could you send me an application form? He had a car accident yesterday. He had a car accident yesterday. Could you please help me if possible? Could you please help me if possible? Don't enter my room without knocking. Don't enter my room without knocking. He confessed his crime. He confessed his crime. Are you serious about this job? Are you serious about this job? Both of my eyes are red and swollen. Both of my eyes are red and swollen. He fell in love with his best friend. He fell in love with his best friend. Do you often visit your hometown? Do you often visit your hometown? How long has this been going on? How long has this been going on? Everybody silence, please. Everybody silence, please. Leave it to me, my friend. Leave it to me, my friend. Make me something to eat. Make me something to eat. John, don't go anywhere. John, don't go anywhere. Let's get the party started. Let's get the party started. Hang on a minute, please. Hang on a minute, please. Appreciate others genuinely. Appreciate others genuinely. Don't irritate me. Don't irritate me. John, don't go anywhere. John, don't go anywhere. Let me think about it first. Let me think about it first. Never humiliate anyone. Never humiliate anyone. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.